everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make the cluster by using the physiochemical parameter data. Instead of this data, you can also use other data. So for this, I'm going to check analyze, first hit analyze button, go to classify, and here is hierarchical cluster analysis option. Click here, and I have already entered my parameter into variable view, but you need to enter like this way into the variable view. Go to statics first, and here is just leave it as default. Click continue. Go to plot. Here is dendrogram. Dendrogram is a tree-like diagram used in hierarchical cluster analysis to show how data points are grouped based on their similarity. Click on continue. Go to methods. So this is most important part. Here you can see different methods. So I have selected word method, and also the interval is different. So this time I'm going to select the Squared Euclidean Distance because word method works well with Squared Euclidean Distance because it aims to minimize the total within cluster variance, and square distances directly measures this variance, uh, and this is very much helpful to separate clear cluster with different characteristics. Just for example, if you want to cluster water sample based on ion concentration, just for example calcium, magnesium, and sodium, Watt's method will group sample with very similar chemical composition together while separating those with large differences more clearly. So after that, you also need to be very careful to select the z-score because as your data may not have the same comparable scale. So to make all data comparable, you need to normalize your data within a same comparable scale. So you just need to standardize your data by selecting this one. Click continue, and must careful. Also, you need to be very careful here. So this is the spin code. Here is spin code that reflects the size. So I'm just trying to make cluster in terms of size. So for this, I'm going to choose. I'm going to enter this one into level cases by using size. So click OK. So if you scroll down, here you can see that different sites are clustered into different groups. If you want to see your cluster from height 15, you can see that this is the first cluster, another cluster is this one, and another one is this one. So altogether here are 3 clusters. So by this way you can copy this image and you can paste into the PowerPoint and Word document, and here you can also crop this image and modify as per your needs. So this is all. You need to be very careful while making cluster dendrogram or cluster diagram. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you have any doubt, just comment me. Thank you so much for watching.